Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to unbox Vivo V17. Yes, this is not a V17 Pro, it's just a V17. You may guys think that what is this much late. This is not any sponsored guys, I am just bought it. The box good looks pretty nice. Let's open it. Look at it. Yeah. I will talk later about the box content guys. Let's see first the handpiece. This is I think something warranty card, something else. Here is the handpiece guys. Yeah, it's covered in some protection cover. Just removing it. Okay. Yeah, here we can see that it's a small pin drop camera guys, and the back design is also good. I just bought a glacier ice model. Okay, let's see remaining contents. Here we are getting a Vivo branded earphones guys, and it's a 3.5 jack earphones. Yes, and it's a 18 volts fast charger guys, so that your phone will get more charging in less time. Thank you guys for watching. I will keep another video for review of this Vivo V17.